Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Which Indian city was flooded due to torrential rains on 24 September 2025? Kolkata. Which bank announced operations from Navi Mumbai Airport with 20 daily flights? Air India. Which forest area in South Kashmir had a terrorist hideout busted on 24 September 2025? Brynel. Indian Navy currently has how many vessels under construction as per the news? "54". Which country shut schools and cancelled flights due to super typhoon Raksa? China. Who is the deputy manager at IndusInd Bank mentioned in the recent news? Shubhangi. Which political party leader's remarks about a Hanuman statue caused international outrage? Trump. Which High Court order led to banning the mention of caste in furs and political rallies? Allahabad. Which country's president criticized nations recognizing Palestinian statehood at the UN? United States. In which year did the terrorist hideout bust in Brynel Forest occur? (2025). The Prime Minister of which country is expected to visit India in October 2025? UK. Pakistan's farmlands were affected by floods caused by which natural disaster? Floods. Which Indian cricketer praised Abhishek Sharma on 24 September 2025? Ashwin. Which award did PSG winger Ousmane Dembele win in 2025? Ballon. The Indian Navy is scaling up activity in building indigenous what? Ships. Who is the senior at EY and chartered accountant with AIR 42 mentioned in the profile list? Dharmik. Where was the biggest drone and counter-drone drill to be held in India in 2025? India. Which country extended airspace closure for Pakistani aircraft until 24 October? India. won the co-ownership of Goa Guardians in the Prime Volleyball League? Rahul. What is the theme of the ongoing conflict referenced with Israel's Prime Minister considering full occupation? Gaza. Which organization's Super Typhoon Raksa caused flight cancellations and school shutdowns? China. The 13-year-old Afghan boy found hiding in a cargo plane was discovered in which city? Delhi. Which country did Russian President Putin mention regarding New START nuclear treaty extension? Russia. Which Indian state banned mentioning caste in public signs and furs? UP. Who is the Deputy Manager, Business Banking, at ICICI Bank mentioned in the profile list? Bharat. Which country's national movement called Pakistan a terror state in global requests? Baloch. The Global News reported the terror hideout bust in which district of Kashmir? Kulgam. What is the total number of vessels under construction for the Indian Navy? (54). Which Indian city witnessed the debut of Air India daily flights from Navi Mumbai Airport? Navi Mumbai. India and Qatar set a target to double their bilateral trade to what amount by 2030? $28 billion. Who is a project associate at NIAS and a behavioral economics enthusiast? Deepika. What is the name of the Indian Navy ship that conducted a hydrographic survey of Mauritius? Sarvekshak. What major cricket event was referenced involving India and Bangladesh? Asia Cup. Which European country's premier warned of illegal migration destroying heritage at the UN? Europe. Which cricket player joked Pakistan can beat India only if PCB chairman opens the innings? Imran. Which Indian cricketer became co-owner of a volleyball team? Rahul. What major global sporting event crowned esports champions with a $70 million prize pool? Sports. Which country conducted a general strike due to the Gaza conflict? Italy. Who is the deputy manager at IndusInd Bank with an MBA from NMIMS Bangalore? Shubhangi. Which Indian city is the location of a political decision banning caste mentions in official reports? Allahabad. Which organization is responsible for monitoring the Super Typhoon Raksa? WMO. Which Indian bank's deputy manager is Bharat Golcha? ICICI. Who is the CFA Level 3 candidate and gold medalist mentioned? Namya. Which country's army threatened the US over strategic bases after Trump's warnings? Taliban. Which country is expected to experience Europe's heritage threat due to migration? Europe. Which country's prime minister reportedly considered full occupation of Gaza Strip? Israel. British PM Keir Starmer is set to visit which country in October 2025? India. Pakistan's paper leak controversy is related to which sector? Education. Who won the India Open 2025 men's singles title as reported in recent news? Axel Sen. What major international environmental day is observed in September? Ozone. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.